Hey guys, this is your Vikram. Today I'm going to show you how to download and use Typing Master 10. By using this, you can learn typing professionally. You can type fast and you can track your daily typing percentage and speed by using this. So I will show you today. Today I will show you how to download it and how to use it tutorial. So let's begin it. A PC or a computer and internet. Go to your Chrome browser or any browser. Search for Typing Master 10. You can download any of first two links. Both are same. I am using second one. Second link I am opening. See, I will provide you the link in the description box. So click download Typing Master 10. I have clicked it. It's just 6.2 MB. It's opening, just a second. You have to run the program. Nothing will happen. You have to select your language. I am selecting English. Okay. You have to click next. This will install Typing Master 10 on your computer. It is recommended that you close to another application before using. You have to accept the agreement down. Nothing will happen. If you have the patience to read it, read it. You can change the destination of location. Yeah, you have to install it. It's extracting files. It's completing installing. It's completed. You have to finish it. Yeah, finish. It's opening. I already used this, so it's coming. The Omkar Vikram, it's my account, and Sastra Vishala, it's my sister's. So you can see that touching typing course, it has 27 completed, and this is not started. This is typing meter, which I have told you before. Typing meter is a handy Windows widget that measures and analyzes your typing. Typing test. And these are the games. I will show you them afterwards. And these are my statistics. These are the settings for that. So I will show you a tutorial by typing. In this course you will learn the positions of letter keys and common keys, punctuation by heart. I will continue the course and show you the home row. You can see here what is touch typing, and these are the finger positions. Examples, learning tips, ready to start. We'll do the grid drill. A J J A space A K K A space A K K A space. They'll give you the letters. Down you can see you should use that finger they show. It's changing for every letter, you can see there. Oh. I have clicked wrong, so it's wrong now. You can see the time there and my progress, words per minute progress. You can also pause the time. Yeah, I have paused the time. And again I started typing. SKK space SKK space DL D space DLL D space. So this will be your first chapter's key drill. Later they will give you words and later sentences and paragraphs. These are first letters, then words, then sentences, then paragraphs. Again wrong. I'm clicking the right key again. You can see my progress there. It started with 1 and it came up to 4. KSD space. You have to complete the given words in 5 minutes. I have completed up to 2.5 minutes. Now I have completed 2.5 minutes. The dot and the comma are semicolon. They called as semicolon. JFD space JFD space KDSA space KDSA space KDSA space KDSA space semicolon SAF space semicolon SAF space. This is the full tutorial of one key drill. I will go to next. So I have paused it and going to next. This is pausing button. You can see the time used, gross speed, accuracy, not speed, 15 words per minute. You can see my difficulties there, F. So okay, this is lesson 1, that one. You can change course. Now I will show you games. We have to type which letter it shows. DS semicolon. The red bubbles go speed with some speed and blue bubbles go slow, and green also will go some speed. If you miss any of the bubble, you can see the white balls with cross. They will be in red color. After that I will show you by missing. Yeah, that is the one. I have missed one. The one is red. Two are red. Three are red. 4 and 5. Totally 6 are red. And we'll do word trees. We have to type the words before it goes to down. JALL JAL space ALFA alpha FASSAL space FLAK space AADAS space SAKAL LSA ALA FAS AFFAS LADA space DADS. So you can see my score and my name. Now we'll do clouds. They'll show you some words. You can see the black clouds. Sometimes suddenly they came. You can see the score down. Oh no, Dallas. I'm going to mix second. No, I have saved for it. You can see my score is 64, 78. SALS DAJAL Dajal. Now my score is 146. LADA Lada. LA AKKAF AKF. AFFAS. I'm going to reach 500 soon. I reached 500. I crossed 500. 600. I have crossed 834. You can see my score and my name there. It's around 800. My score is around 800. So these are the games, and they are my statistics, and this is the typing meter. You can launch it. I will show you how it works. It didn't came. Just a minute. I will type something in my Chrome. YouTube, my channel name, Art and Tech with Vikram. It didn't came. The typing meter didn't came. Sure, it didn't came. I think that's not working. It didn't launch properly. You can see my videos down. Art and Tech with Vikram. Search. Yeah. My previous video how to design a QR code. Just a minute. It's there, but it's not visible. It's transparent. I'm going to typing master again. So you can see the course progress, about, and their settings, my user ID. This is my studying, and you can change course there. You can see the courses again. Now I will go to number course and show you. So this is the number row. You have to read it. Index finger F, which will be on F, will be used for 4 and 5. Middle finger for 6, 3. Ring finger for 2. Little finger for 1. And right hand, index finger 6 and 7. Middle finger 3. So you can see they'll show you which finger you have to use for. You can start a create drill. F4 space, F4 space, F4 space, F4 space, FR4F space, FR4F space. J7 space, J7 space. Okay. I'm continuing lesson 1. You have to start like this, and this is for which key, which finger you have to press for which one. A with till, S with ring finger, D with middle finger, F with index. So we'll see what is speed building course. Comment and let me know if you download the typing master 10. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel.